What's up, everybody? It's zo.azubuike with Edge Home Finance, and in this video, we're going to break down the difference between retail lenders and wholesale lenders. We know there's a whole bunch of lenders out there, and I'm hoping that this video is helpful for you so that you as a consumer can better understand what your options are for picking a lender that can provide you with a home loan. Now, to make sense of the differences, we're going to break it down from a structure standpoint, the setup of how loan officers work between the two, and what you need to know with how their rates and fees are determined. So first, let's go over their setup of retail lenders. Now, retail lenders typically have a large corporate structure. They have a whole bunch of underwriters and processors in-house, but on top of that, they also have presidents, CEOs, managers, and a whole bunch of operational staff within a headquarters location, and that helps them oversee the overall company and the support of all their branches. So these branches have managers that oversee the origination of the loan officers that bring in the business for that particular branch and ultimately the company. These loan officers have access to the company's rate sheet along with the company's preferred set of loan programs to offer. And they get paid a portion of the commissions that the company pays for each loan because the company is basically paying a whole bunch of people on each loan with the commissions that they pay out. So when it comes to rates and fees, retail lenders have lots of overhead and operational expenses. They also have multiple salaries and commissions that have to be accounted for. So all of this gets incorporated into the rates they offer and the loan fees that they charge. And this results in their rates and fees being higher in comparison to wholesale lenders that we'll go over next. By the way, examples of retail lenders are companies like Guaranteed Rate, Guild Mortgage, Fairway Mortgage, Cross Country Mortgage, and Supreme Lending, who happens to be the company I used to work for when I was on the retail side. These are reputable companies with good people working for them, but their setup results in higher operational costs, which in turn make their rates and fees higher. Now let's go over wholesale lenders. The main thing you want to remember with the structure of wholesale lenders is that as a consumer, you only get access to their programs and rates through independent mortgage brokers. They do have in-house underwriting, but they partner with brokers to bring them the business. So they only have one headquarters location, and because they work with independent brokers, there's no need for them to have multiple branches. So loan officers that work as a mortgage broker are independent. They typically don't have any branch managers overseeing their production, and these loan officers have broker agreements with multiple wholesale lenders, which give them access to their rate sheets and programs. Loan officers that work as a broker get paid by the wholesale lender, and because there's not a whole bunch of managers and operational staff above them, they get to keep the majority of the commissions. And since there is less overhead and operational expenses, wholesale lenders that pay the loan officers commissions are overall much less than the commissions and the salaries that the retail lenders are paying on each loan. So ultimately, there's less incorporated into rates and fees, allowing them to be very competitive and much lower than what retail lenders can offer a consumer. But remember, as a consumer, you only get access to these types of lenders through the broker channel. And examples of wholesale lenders that brokers can give you access to are companies like Home Point, PennyMac, Loan Depot, Caliber, and UWM. Now, if you want access to lower rates and lower fees on your home loan, stay with me a little longer so that I can explain to you how the process will work. So I'm a loan officer that works as an independent mortgage broker. When I take your mortgage application, my team and I will take you through the process of getting pre-approved. Now, you may have heard or been advised to run your application with 2 or 3 lenders so that you can have multiple offers to compare and contrast. And that's not bad advice, but what if you had someone do that for you with way more than 2 to 3 lenders to check with, only having to run your credit and application once? Well, that's what you get when you work with a broker like myself. I take you through the pre-approval process one time, and then I shop for you. I check with multiple wholesale lenders on your behalf, lenders who are all competing in the rates that they offer with a variety of loan programs that can cater to your needs, and I have access to over 50 of them. I sort through all these offerings for you, determine the top loan offer packages that these lenders have, and advise which one ultimately has the best offer that is catered to your needs, has the lowest rate and fees, and will close on time. Best of all, you can be confident that your loan will close because I've already taken you through a pre-approval using the same underwriting guidelines that these lenders follow. So that is how the process works. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll also include all my social media links in the description below so that we can stay connected. And if you're in the market, if you're looking for a home loan, if you're looking to purchase or refinance, we'd love the opportunity to work with you. So please keep us in mind. I'll also include my contact information in the description below so that you can feel free to reach out anytime. Thanks for watching.